Good morning, students. See page number 24. Now, today's paragraph is agriculture and irrigation. Irrigation means supply water to the fields. This is called the irrigation facility. So, in this paragraph, we have to understand agriculture as well as the irrigation during that time. So, all of you see carefully this paragraph. Many of the achievements of the Cholas were made possible through new developments in agriculture. Now, so many achievements, we can say the Cholas succeeded. How they succeeded? Because of, means they got too much achievements. Now, made possible, they succeeded because of through a new developments in agriculture. New developments, the developments which happened in agricultural field. So we can see Cholas, now they became successful as well as the succeeded because of the good development in the field of agriculture. Look at map 2 again. Now if you see map 2 on page number 22, so you will see on that map. Now try to notice also. Notice that the river Kaveri. Now you can see easily there river Kaveri. The river Kaveri branches off. Here branches off means separated, divided. River Kaveri divided, distributed itself into several small channels. Now river Kaveri divided into several small channels, small different into small channels. When? Before emptying. Emptying means we can say if you see the meaning of the empty, so vacant, blank, but here it means before emptying means before joining, before meeting into the Bay of Bengal, before joining to the Bay of Bengal, river Kaveri divided into different channels. These channels overflow frequently. So these channels which were separated into different branches, into different channels, now flow. How? With a lot of waters, depositing fertile soil on their banks, as well as now overflow also and deposits good type of soil where on the bank of their channels. Water from the channels also provides the necessary moisture for agriculture. Now water which comes from these channels also provides the important necessary moisture, good atmosphere. It provides good atmosphere and weather, climate for agriculture, for the development of the agriculture, particularly the cultivation of rice. So for the cultivation of rice, it provides good type of the moisture, and such type of moisture is very important for the rice cultivation, agriculture, we can say the cultivation of rice, for the rice cultivation, for the, we can say for growing the rice. Now see this paragraph. Although agriculture had developed earlier in other parts of Tamil Nadu, agriculture also developed earlier, before. Earlier means before. It was only from the 5th or 6th century that this area was opened up for large scale cultivation. This area, Kaveri Delta, this area was opened up for large scale cultivation, means which was used, opened up, which was used largely for the purpose of agriculture. When? It was only from 5th and 6th century. Now students, try to understand. Forest had to be cleared in some regions. In some regions forest had to be cleared, means trees were cut down. Land had to be leveled. Means whatever the lands, rough land, now they leveled. Why? For the agriculture purpose. In other areas, in the delta region, embankments, underline, embankment means an artificial hills. Now artificial hills which is built to store water, and water which is used for the purpose of agriculture. Embankments had to be built to prevent flooding. Now here embankment, now hills which is constructed to prevent the, we can say, the for the protection of the flood, not to create the flood type of situation. And canals too had to be constructed. Canals also constructed to carry water to the fields. Means canals, embankment also constructed for the agriculture purpose, for carrying the water up to the fields. In many areas, 2 crops were grown in a year. Now in so many areas, now the farmers, now they grew 2 crops in a one year. Now remaining paragraph we will see in next clip.